Looking for an easier way to deliver high-quality solutions faster with fewer resources and time-consuming steps? Here's a simple solution. Simplify your engineering processes. The nVent HOFFMAN Design to Manufacturing DTM software makes it easier than ever to plan and design electrical enclosures, machines, and factory systems. It also makes it easier than ever to automate panel building through intelligent 2D, 3D workflow. With the software's easy-to-use intelligent central parts library, designers can efficiently work on a single project while the software automatically updates the data, making the design and planning easy and reducing errors. All so you can maintain a single source of truth, simplify processes, and increase productivity. With the nVent HOFFMAN DTM software, you can simplify design to minimize manual drafting and improve quality. Connect engineering to manufacturing to improve quality, efficiency, and precision. Capture and deploy knowledge to standardize design and drive efficiencies. Solve the shortage of engineers and skilled labor by maximizing employees' capabilities. And get support every step of the way. Also, you can get more projects done and delivered with superior and repeatable quality to accelerate profitable growth. Plus, to make it even easier for you to take advantage of the nVent HOFFMAN DTM software, we offer specially designed packages and licensing terms to meet your specific needs. Choose the plan that's right for your business. You can also rely on the comprehensive nVent HOFFMAN Design to Manufacturing platform portfolio, including enclosure modification centers, cutting and wire processing machines, and more, to streamline the way you work and do more business faster.